What if I told you that beneath one of America's most beloved national parks, a force of nature slumbers, capable of unimaginable destruction? A force that could reshape continents and plunge the world into darkness. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but the reality of Yellowstone National Park and the supervolcano that lies beneath. We are drawn to Yellowstone's beauty, its geysers erupting in plumes of steam and water, its vibrant hot springs painted in hues of a rainbow. We marvel at the power of nature on display, but beneath this breathtaking spectacle lies a hidden power, a supervolcano capable of eruptions thousands of times more powerful than any volcano in recorded history. This is the story of Yellowstone Supervolcano, a journey into the heart of a geological marvel, and a glimpse into the awesome and terrifying forces that shape our planet. Millions of visitors flock to Yellowstone National Park each year, drawn to its stunning natural wonders. The park is a geothermal wonderland, home to more than half of the world's geysers. Old Faithful, perhaps the most famous geyser, erupts with predictable regularity, captivating onlookers with its towering plume of hot water. Beyond geysers, Yellowstone boasts vibrant hot springs. These pools of scalding water, like the Grand Prismatic Spring, shimmer with brilliant shades of blue, green, and orange, a testament to the diversity of life thriving in these extreme environments. The park is also a haven for wildlife. Herds of bison roam freely, while elk, wolves, and grizzly bears call this wilderness home. The beauty of Yellowstone is undeniable, but beneath the surface lies a stark reminder of nature's raw power. The beauty of Yellowstone's geothermal features hints at the immense power that lies below. These hot springs, geysers, and fumaroles are just the surface expressions of a much larger and more powerful system. The vibrant colors and the constant steam rising from the ground are a reminder of the dynamic processes happening beneath our feet. Beneath the park's iconic attractions sits a colossal magma chamber, a reservoir of molten rock miles beneath the surface. This magma chamber is fed by a plume of hot material rising from deep within the Earth's mantle, creating a hotspot that has been active for millions of years. The sheer size of this magma chamber is staggering, stretching over 30 miles across and several miles deep. This is the heart of Yellowstone Supervolcano, a behemoth dwarfing any active volcano on Earth today. The caldera, a large volcanic crater formed by previous eruptions, spans over 40 miles in diameter. It's a landscape shaped by fire and brimstone, a testament to the raw power of nature. Supervolcanoes are not defined by their size alone, but by their potential for eruptions of unimaginable scale. These eruptions can release thousands of times more volcanic material than a typical volcanic eruption, causing widespread devastation and altering the climate for years. These eruptions, measured on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI, reach a magnitude 8 or higher, capable of ejecting over 1,000 cubic kilometers of material. This is enough to blanket entire continents in ash, disrupt global weather patterns, and cause a volcanic winter. To put that into perspective, the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens, a powerful eruption in its own right, ejected a mere 1 cubic kilometer of material. The ash cloud from Mount St. Helens circled the globe, but it pales in comparison to what a supervolcano eruption could do. Yellowstone Supervolcano has experienced 3 such super eruptions in the past 2.1 million years, each leaving a massive caldera, a collapsed volcanic crater, as a testament to their power. The first eruption, known as the Huckleberry Ridge eruption, occurred 2.1 million years ago and was one of the largest volcanic events in Earth's history. These eruptions have reshaped the landscape of North America, leaving their mark on the very geology of our planet. The ash and lava flows from these eruptions have created new landforms, altered river courses, and even affected the climate. The evidence of these cataclysmic events can be seen in the layers of rock and ash that make up the geological record, telling a story of destruction and renewal. Echoes of cataclysm, past eruptions. To understand the true potential of Yellowstone Supervolcano, we must look back at its violent past. The history of Yellowstone is written in fire and ash, a testament to the raw power of nature. About 2.1 million years ago, the Huckleberry Ridge eruption ejected a staggering 2,500 cubic kilometers of material. This cataclysmic event formed the Island Park Caldera, a massive depression spanning parts of Idaho, Wyoming, and Montana. The sheer scale of this eruption is almost unimaginable, with ashfall covering vast areas and altering the landscape dramatically. Then, about 1.3 million years ago, the Mesa Falls eruption rocked the region. This eruption ejected 280 cubic kilometers of material, forming the Henry's Fork caldera. The force of this eruption reshaped the land, leaving behind a caldera that stands as a silent witness to the power of the Earth's inner forces. And finally, 630,000 years ago, the Lava Creek eruption, responsible for the Yellowstone caldera we see today, unleashed 1,000 cubic kilometers of volcanic ash and rock into the atmosphere. This eruption was so powerful that it created the vast caldera that now forms the heart of Yellowstone National Park. These were not isolated events. Each eruption was a monumental force of nature, reshaping the landscape and leaving a lasting impact on the environment. They were cataclysms that darkened the skies, choked the land with ash, and altered global climate patterns for years to come. The ash from these eruptions spread far and wide, affecting regions thousands of miles away and causing dramatic shifts in weather and climate. The evidence of these eruptions is etched into the geological record, a stark reminder of the immense power that lies dormant beneath Yellowstone's serene beauty. Layers of volcanic ash and rock tell the story of these ancient cataclysms, providing scientists with crucial insights into the behavior of supervolcanoes. As we study these layers, we gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shaped our planet and the potential future threats that lie beneath the surface. The caldera's cauldron, a glimpse inside. Welcome to a journey through one of the most fascinating geological wonders on Earth. The Yellowstone caldera, a massive depression spanning roughly 30 by 45 miles, is a constant reminder of the supervolcano's past eruptions. This vast expanse, with its rugged terrain and breathtaking vistas, tells a story of immense power and natural beauty. This caldera, formed during the Lava Creek eruption approximately 640,000 years ago, provides a window into the inner workings of this geological giant. The eruption was so powerful that it reshaped the landscape, leaving behind this colossal depression. Beneath the caldera lies a complex system of magma chambers, vast reservoirs of molten rock that fuel the park's geothermal activity. These chambers are like the beating heart of Yellowstone, driving the dynamic processes that shape the park's unique features. These chambers are not filled with liquid magma alone, but rather a mixture of molten rock, semi-solid materials, and dissolved gases. This intricate blend creates a volatile environment where pressure and heat build up, leading to the spectacular geothermal displays we see on the surface. The heat from these magma chambers drives the hydrothermal features that make Yellowstone so unique. The park is home to more than 10,000 hydrothermal features, including geysers, hot springs, fumaroles, and mud pots, each one a testament to the immense energy beneath the ground. Geysers, hot springs, and mud pots are all expressions of this immense heat escaping from deep within the earth. These features are not just beautiful, they are windows into the powerful forces at work beneath our feet. The movement of magma and the release of gases within these chambers can cause the ground to rise and fall, a phenomenon closely monitored by scientists. This ground deformation is a key indicator of volcanic activity, providing valuable data that helps predict potential eruptions. These subtle movements are like the breathing of a giant, a constant reminder that the supervolcano beneath Yellowstone is very much alive. The caldera's activity is a natural wonder, a living, breathing testament to the dynamic forces that shape our planet. As we continue to study and understand these processes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible power and beauty of the natural world.